What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm partnering with HP for this video. They sent me this product. It's called the Sprocket, and I cannot believe that I didn't get my hands on this sooner. I've like seen commercials about them before, and I've always wanted some sort of like portable printer, and this one is like literally so perfect, and it's really cute. If you guys want to try this product out, make sure to go check the description box. There will be links to purchase in there. Okay, first of all, when the box arrived, I was so shocked by how small it was. Like, it's so portable and easy to carry around. You can seriously bring it anywhere. So this is the box, and they sent me the one that's rose gold, and I'm stoked because I love rose gold. And then they sent me 2 packs of paper, which was super generous. They definitely know that I like to post a lot of photos on my wall. So yeah, they sent me 2 of these, and these are awesome because they have a sticky back, which is so great because you can just like put them up on the wall. You don't even need to have like tacks or anything, and like you don't want to damage your walls either, so this is like a great idea. So I really want to put these on my wall just to make it a little bit cuter. Right now I am in our living room, and it's kind of messy because we're moving in. You can see here is our little TV. Actually, it's really big TV. We got so spoiled. Like, that is huge. It's actually this really cool little fireplace. It's so dope. And then under there we just have like the media stuff and all of like Dakota's Xbox. There's my tripod. Guys, my tripod broke on my way here. I opened my suitcase and the screw fell out, and I don't have a screw, so I was like trying to do it with my hand, but there's like not enough room to do it. Super annoying. This is like the rest of the kitchen. Sorry, it's a little bit messy, but again, like I said, we're moving in. So right now I have my Sprocket charging, and I just loaded the paper inside, and I'm just waiting to make sure that it's like fully charged and everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start printing my pictures. Surrounding yourself by photos and memories and people that you like love is just such a good daily reminder to just be grateful and to just like have a happy mindset going into each day. I picked the photo that I wanted and then clicked to print. This is seriously, I'm so excited. Hopefully I loaded the paper right. This is like Christmas. Oh man, okay, it's just the tester. False alarm, false alarm. Dude, this is so fun. Oh yeah. Ooh. So the first picture printed, and it is so cute. These are 2x3 photos, and I'm so excited. Okay, so on the back, it looks like you just peel it off and stick. I think I'm gonna print all of the photos that I want and then kind of arrange them and then put them on the wall. Believe how easy this is. I'm just standing here and they're printing. Like, I don't even have to go to the store to go print them. And also, I feel like every time I go to print photos at like a CVS or something, the machine is always broken. Does anybody else agree? What I really like about the Sprocket is that you can have a digital copy on your phone, and then also you'll have a printed version, and you don't just have the printed version like some other printers. Currently, me and my girls gotta have them on the wall. I'm trying to like print a well balance. I have a lot of Dakota, but now I'm doing like my friends, and I'm gonna do the fam. I have some of Zach up here. You guys, Zach is like my hero. Does anybody else agree? He just sent me these photos of him at USC dressed out because they're in fall camp, and I've seriously, like, I've never been more proud of someone in my entire life because he is just like the GOAT. Gosh, I love Zach. Okay, so I also have a Pinterest album on my phone of just things that I've saved, and so I'm gonna print out a couple like cute wallpapery type things just to kind of mix it up and like intermix like all the photos. And right now I'm printing this cute pop art little picture from Pinterest, and I actually I'm obsessed with pop art. Just gonna add this to the collage. I think pop art's just like amazing, and it makes me really happy, and I'm just gonna print all the things that make me happy. Okay, so I'm up in my bedroom, and I think I'm actually gonna put the photos up here just because this is like our room instead of the living room, and I'm not exactly sure on which wall I'm gonna put them on yet because I'm gonna be making some changes in this room. I think I'm gonna do a video where I show you guys some tips and like what I'm going to do with this room just to make it a little bit more cute and like livable with my style, because this room is definitely not my style. So we decided to hang the photos on a blank wall that we had that actually fit the photos perfectly because it's a little bit smaller, and Dakota helped me hang these up, and I think it turned out so cute, and it's so fun to personalize this space and just make it our own. I also decided to add some of the photos to my planner, and I think it just makes it look really cute, and it'll be nice when I'm at work. I can just look back on the old photos. As you guys probably know, I love to journal, and this is the one that I have. It's by Bando, and I just love journaling. I think it just helps get all my thoughts out on paper, but my favorite thing of all is that it helps me really remember my life. I write everything down, it just really sticks. So it's fun to look back at all the memories that you have, and especially since we moved to Canada, I'll be journaling a lot about that. The Sprocket will definitely be coming in handy because I can actually print out photos and then put them in my journal. If you guys have seen my tips for 2018, I showed you guys my journal and I go crazy. I put pictures in it, I put magazine clips in it, so that'll be super nice for this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in buying your own Sprocket, make sure to check the description for the links. Also, if you're not up to date, make sure to go back a couple and watch my vlogs of me moving, and you'll get a better idea of my life right now. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.